As we move across the Atlantic waters, they continue to try to build, and we'll take you out there in a little more detail in a moment. But let's start out close to home. First off, Earl. Very powerful storm system. Winds at 145 miles an hour, gusting higher, 155 to 160, with the pressure 928 millibars, and the pressure the pressure 928 millibars, and about 369 miles to the east of Melbourne. That's the good news, and we expect it to stay far away from us. As a matter of fact, it will continue that northwest and north-northwest movement here as we move along, even take more of a turn to the north. Biggest impact here to Central Florida, the rip current threat. With those high surf coming ashore, looks so inviting for surfers, but please just be very careful. Do not go in the water without a lifeguard nearby, and best bet, don't go more than waist deep, as those rip current threats are going to be extremely strong.
Major hurricane passing right exactly where we thought it was going to go, about 300 miles offshore. Here are your local impacts in on the forecast. Big waves for today, dangerous rip currents for the